on. Good morning, YouTubes. How are we doing today? It is currently around 10 to 7 in the morning, and we've got an interesting project today to do with a drone. So a friend of a friend, asked if I could be an observer today. He's got a job going down at the University of Ottawa, which is downtown. I believe you need a special license to fly down there, insurance, all that jazz. So looks like it's going to be a 3-hour gig from around 8 to 11, 8 to 12, something like that. So yeah, pretty excited. Should be a lot of fun. Gonna see if I can vlog this, show you guys what it's like to be an observer for a drone operator. He's filming the University of Ottawa. I presume he's just going to be filming the building for the actual university, something they need. So yeah, let's get some coffees and get on down there. It's about 25-30 minutes away, and so we'll see you shortly. Good lighting, huh? Portraiture lighting right there.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Good morning. Can I get a medium black coffee and 2 hash browns, please?
Medium black, 2 hash browns, is that everything?
That's it.
That'll be $5.25.
Thank you. 2 full. $1.53. It's expensive for a hash brown. Okay.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily.
Okay, so it's 7:25. The meeting is scheduled for 8 o'clock. Just found the location, found parking. Always be on time, be prompt, make sure you're there early. Never been here before, so I didn't know where to park. So I'm gonna go walk around, I think, take my drone with me. I don't believe I'm gonna be driving. There's no way I'm gonna be flying today. I'm not allowed to fly here. I don't have a certificate, special operations, I don't have a special operations certificate to fly or insurance. So I'm downtown Ottawa. I believe it's a no-fly zone for me, but I'm gonna take it anyway. Show the other guy. I know he was interested in looking at the Maverick Air at one point. I'm not sure if he's seen it since. And if his drone crashes or breaks, then he can fly mine, and it's a win-win. So I'm gonna go and check out the location over there. Really nice building, Cabaret Hall, University of Ottawa. So yep, let's go check it out, and I'll do some more vlogging of the observing. Okay, so here I am on location at the meeting point. Still got another 30 minutes, I think, 25-30 minutes. So this is a Cabaret Hall, University of Ottawa. Check this out, downtown Ottawa. Pretty cool. Can you see it? There it is. Cabaret Hall, University of Ottawa. Really cool building. Not sure if this is the only building that he's going to be shooting, but yeah, I don't blame them for wanting some drone footage of this. So the drone operator has told me that I'll be at a different location, so presumably he's going to be flying around the back. I think if I go a little bit further here, you can see one of the other big buildings behind there. Right behind, you can see it's the University of Ottawa. So I think I'm going to walk around this big building just so I can get my bearings. So then if he tells me to go somewhere, I'll know where to go. And this place is awesome. 7:30 in the morning, got the Tim Hortons, fresh as a daisy. Just straight up. All clear. Looking good. Yep. Past the tree. Clear. Yep, good. Wind side down. So it seems. Famous last words. Okay. Yep, all clear. Above all the buildings. So we are done. What time is it? It is now 11 o'clock on the dot, so that's perfect. A good 3-hour shoot there. Colin did some great work. Looked like the lighting was pretty cool, so that's good. So we did about 2 or 3 different buildings, and looks like I get some more work out of that, which is awesome. I want to come back again later on this week. So great success doing the observer for Colin and the University of Ottawa. Yeah, awesome time. So thanks for watching, guys. Life of an observer, and if I come out again, I couldn't film too much today, too busy. I wanted to make sure that I was on the ball with looking out for anything, and so that was good. But it looks like there could be more working down the road, so that's awesome. So catch you later on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.